Okay, is the spaghetti monster real? Hannah, I don't have any evidence for the flying spaghetti monster, but nobody has any evidence for any of the gods that have been invented by all the people all over the planet.
If you believe in it, say if you believe in it, then you must think it's real.
Hey, Hannah.
You must think it's real.
Well, for me, that's just my belief. That's just a bit of fun, because when people talk about their religion, I talk about my religion, which is the flying spaghetti monster.
Look it up. They got some, look a flying spaghetti monster. Then they'll show fossils.
Tell them Dad's doing a painting of them.
Oh, and you know what?
What?
In my dad's painting, I'm not really saying that he is doing a picture of it, but, like, in the ocean part that, in his picture, it actually looks like a picture of the spaghetti, flying spaghetti monster, because, like, the waves, and then there's these two rocks.
Hannah,
What?
pasta works in mysterious ways.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't fly, all I know, and it doesn't drink.
Well, actually, the gospel of the flying spaghetti monster says that he got drunk once and created the universe on a whim. Yep.
I know that he doesn't drink, and I know that spaghetti don't drink anything like drink food or anything.
Well,
Eat.
well, we can't see him, but we believe he's there, like everybody else.
How?
It's a matter of faith. Hey, Hannah,
What?
somewhere between the Earth and the Sun orbits a giant teapot.
What?
Somewhere between the Earth and the...
I heard of that.
Yeah, it's Russell's teapot. It's a big teapot that we can't see, but we know it's there and we believe it's there, but we don't have any evidence for it. That's kind of like the flying spaghetti monster.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay, sort of. Not really.
It's just a matter of belief. We don't know it's there. We can't prove it or disprove it. We just choose to believe. Yeah, that's all.
That's it, but that's Uncle Dave's belief, so everybody's entitled to belief. So doesn't mean he's right or you're right or he's wrong or you're wrong.
Okay. What did they, let's see. Too easy. I'm gonna ask you something, and I hope that it's too hard for you, because I want to stump you.
Okay, try to stump me.
Do you look up anything, everything that you can think of, anything else to not look up?
I read a lot of science to understand stuff.
Mom, the phone battery's dying. It's just, yeah. Anything, I'm just trying to stump you, so.
Oh, okay, Hannah.
What?
Where did man come from?
Huh?
Where did man come from?
Talk to the hand.
How did man get on Earth?
Watch out with that milk. Tell me what's magic.
I can tell. I'll tell you a story.
What?
Plants and trees come from the air
Yeah?
because carbon dioxide comes from the air and so does water. Right?
Yeah?
That's what plants and trees need to grow.
Mm-hmm.
But as you know, carbon and oxygen are stuck together because they form one molecule. You know that, right?
Yeah, but I had to ask my mom, Mom, you know what's not the thing with puppets? I feel like, that picture of, like...
Okay, you ignore that. Now you're talking to Uncle Dave.
That's something that you didn't read up and something that I can ask you that you probably won't know there.
Oh, Hannah, very quickly, I'll finish. So the plants need sunshine to make sugars, right?
Yep.
The plants use sunshine to take apart carbon and oxygen and make sugars. and then we are made of sugars that come from plants. So basically, our bodies are energy that was captured from the sunshine.
Oh, one thing, not just that. Do you wanna? Okay, I went to camp, and there are people that was married by God. Okay, and you know what?
What?
Let's see, told me that we are made of stardust, so not just sugar from the sun.
Yeah, Hannah. All of our atoms, like our carbon, our oxygen, our nitrogen, those atoms were made when stars were born and stars exploded. And that stardust formed our solar system that formed our...
Well, for one thing, not just that, when stars explode, kids are born.
What's that?
Mostly when kids are born, the stars actually explode.
When stars are born...
No! That's the opposite of what I'm saying.
Explain it better. I didn't hear you.
Okay, should I say this? So, read my lips.
Okay.
Okay?
You can't if you're not there.
Just speak slow, a little bit slower. I can understand you most of the time.
Okay, let's see. When stars explode, kids are born.
Yeah. That's right. Stars make atoms that help life evolve. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
In the universe, stars are always being born, and they're always dying and exploding. That's what creates the atoms that make up Earth.
Well, also, when stars explode, they also become red giant. Now, let me get my space book and find that page that shows, that tells you about a red giant.
Yeah. Hey, Hannah, I think what you mean is that when a red giant explodes, it's so big that it becomes a black hole.
And I'm also saying when stars explode, they turn into a red giant, and then okay, let's see. Can you tell me everything you know about let's see, black holes?
Yeah, a black hole is the result of a star that's bigger than 1.6 times the mass of our sun.
I know that. It's bigger than the sun. Yes, I know that.
Okay, so when a star collapses under its own weight, it gets so small and so dense that it rips through the fabric of space-time, and it disappears into a place nobody understands. With infinities. Hannah, you understand infinity, right?
Yeah.
Well, the mathematics of black holes have infinities in the equations, and the equations cannot really be solved very well, so it's not understood very well. But what is understood is that a black hole is so heavy that light cannot escape from it, because that's why it's called a black... Yeah.
Not even time can.
That's right, time... It's believed that when you fall into a black hole, time stands still when you fall into a black hole. That's right. Have you been reading that?
No, I just know because, let's see, I mostly knew that since I was in preschool.
Really? You like cosmology?
Yeah, except when are you coming home is what I'm wondering.
Oh, and I'm coming home in the summertime.
Yeah, that's just be very close now.
I'll tell you about the universe when I come home and see you.
Okay, let's see, I'm just going to see if I can find black holes.
Hey, Hannah.
Oh, that picture of I'm a fly. I don't like being one on the moon because I have a rod going through me.
Wait now, I didn't quite hear you then.
Did you know, do you know why flies don't move when they're actually on the moon? It's not because there's no oxygen. It's because there's a rod going through it. A rod going through the fly.